So, in this video, we're going to go over a pattern that you can play with your instrument that includes a little bit of the ding and a little bit of the notes. So we'll try to keep this as simple as possible and just kind of find a pattern that's kind of meditative, flowy, slow, and pretty easy to keep moving, right? Easy to keep the tempo, easy to keep the rhythm. So let's get into it. So this one pattern, it's a meditative pattern, and the way that it works is, it sounds like this. Okay, so basically what we're doing here is we're touching, or we're hitting the ding, then the one. So I'll play as I speak. So ding, then 1, 3, 4, 5, and then going back down the same way we came. 4, 3, 1, ding. Right? And we're just playing that 4 times. And then we move on to the same thing, except the only thing that's changing here is instead of playing the 1, we're completely ignoring the 1 and we're playing the 2 instead. So wherever we played the 1 before, now we're playing the 2. So that sounds like this. Okay, and if this feels too fast, please feel free to go slower. If you're using a metronome, which can be very useful sometimes, then you can dial the metronome to a lower BPM. But for example, instead of playing at that tempo, you could play at like almost half the tempo, like this. Okay, so that would be 2 measures of that particular pattern. Cool. So yeah, I would advise to, or suggest, to play 4 measures of ding, 1, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 1, and then 4 measures of ding, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then ding again. And just see how that feels. See if you can kind of get that into a bit of a flowy, meditative place. And then we'll move on from there. So if you've played around with that a little bit and you want to move on, then one thing that we can do is we can change that last note, which is our 5, and we can start to basically move that around a little bit. So what I mean by that is something like this. Okay, so just basically I'm changing the last note in that sequence. So instead of playing the 5 every time, I was playing the 8, then the 7, then the 6, then the 7 again. So feel free to play with that as an idea. And yeah, have fun, experiment, get creative. You can play whatever notes you like, and enjoy your playing.